Hey guys, this is Nell from Benz Nelson. I'm just wanna make a quick video right now. I have a 2011 GL diesel. Um, Customer complained that it goes into limbo, and it does. I drove it, so just a quick info for all of you. So I did a short test with the SDS computer, and I had loose pressure. So checked it, diagnosed it, and came up with the um, result that it was a bad turbo. So right now I'm taking the turbo out. Well, actually I took it out. What I got. So this is a big GL, kind of like DML, same scenario. So to do this job, you're gonna have to take the wiper arms, the cowl, the wiper transmission, which hooks in here, whatever, the panels, the wraparound on the back, and a bunch of bolts for the turbo, and a block that sits in there, and then the turbo sits on top of it. So let me show you. This is the old one right here. So this is the old one, and this is what happened. So it wasn't able to turn and create that boost, the necessary boost. So we got a new one right here ready. I just gotta swap this tube into here, and this is the block that goes on the bottom over there that I showed you, and then this hooks up right there in the bottom. So just make sure that you change all the gaskets. You don't want to do this job twice, especially this one over here for the air filters, the housing that goes on the front of the turbo. They always leak. Damn, this thing is heavy. So this is the one that goes here, but first you gotta put it in the air filter housing. But yeah, it's gonna go like there on the opposite side though. And then don't lubricate this. If you want to add something to make it nicer and smoother going in, just do some rubbing alcohol in here and then push it in, and it should be good, because you don't want lubricant in here, because once you put it in and you start timing it, and then with the boost you may start coming out, and then you're gonna have leaks because there's oil going inside the turbo, and then it drips out. If this is not sealing properly, it's gonna come down all the way down and make a bigger mess. Nope. So this is it, all my parts, and ready to go in. After this, you don't need to do any adaptation. All you need to do is erase the codes and take it for a spin. Yeah. So also make sure you change the seal in here. There's like a dumbass seal. You pick it out with a pick, and then make sure you put it in, and then the clamp goes on it into this one, and that's the clamp right there. So I'm getting all new parts, so I don't have to worry about it. If you decide to take that out, the block that I showed you before, then you're gonna have to drain the coolant, because if not, coolant is gonna be pouring out and creating a bigger mess. So this is it, a GL diesel replacement of a turbo. Alright guys, if you have any questions, comment, please like and share video so I could keep on making more. Good luck guys.